Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites that protect your data and allow reactivation. First, make sure you back up anything accessible to Google or Huawei Cloud, or copy files to an SD card. Once done, charge the device above 50% so it won't shut down mid-process. Also note your phone model and MIUI version because recovery steps vary slightly. Make sure you know the Google account linked to the device, since factory reset protection can require those credentials later. Next, you enter the recovery menu to perform a full factory reset. Power the phone off completely, then hold volume up plus power until the Huawei logo and recovery menu appear. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data/factory reset and press power to select. This erases user data and settings. Confirm the operation when prompted. The device will perform the wipe and then show Reboot System Now. Once rebooted, proceed to Initial Setup. This removes the lock but may trigger activation locks. Finally, you complete setup and address activation locks. During first boot, make sure to sign into the same Google account that was on the phone before the reset. This satisfies factory reset protection. If the phone still asks for credentials you cannot provide, contact Huawei support and have the original purchase receipt ready as proof of ownership. If the recovery process fails, try alternative key combinations for your model, or connect to a PC and use HiSuite to attempt a firmware reinstall. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.